Hey, soon these niggas paying me the ball, dog. I'm about to take off on these niggas.
If you pay bank account into my savings account, so as long as you have that money, so high yield savings accounts, they don't charge you higher interest, they give you higher interest, which is a benefit for you for keeping your savings money in that account. Now, of course, some of
Alright everyone, so thank you for tuning in to my day in a life Zoom edition or online edition. I have a busy schedule today. One of the things that I usually do is I write down the things that I have to do in my planner. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah, I mean, I'm filming with my GoPro. I was initially going to film with my camera, but I didn't want to change a lot of settings, and this is going to be a bit more of a raw footage, but yeah, follow me throughout my day. Make sure you like, you comment, subscribe something, and if you find something useful here, reach out to me, and yeah, that's it.
Wow, you crazy for this one.
Or like, ask a question on that. Cause like multi is like thicker and covered in snow, and it's like better at reflecting light, and I guess we can ask the question of like, what is the main difference, which one reflects?
So today we start with capacitance
of the day, my physics one.
And from the plan for the rest of the quarter will be a homework. Say in free space, like in vacuum, we might have some arbitrary conductor.
It is now currently like 3 p.m. and right now I'm gonna have like I think my final meeting of the day, finally. And yeah, this meeting is really about just finding somebody to help me out with copywriting. And if she chooses to come out, then I'll introduce you guys. I'm actually filming a day in the life. Do you want to say hi? I'm filming it with this. I guess that's it. You have any questions before we close this meeting? I'm still, like I said, I'm still flirting around with different things and how I can stand out, right? But one of the things that I've been doing with my recent clients is that they endorse me on LinkedIn, because you know I help them out with 10% and then they help me out with an endorsement, and that is gonna help me. The more endorsements I get, the more clients. Not only will I be giving people discounts, but they'll also be helping me grow my network and stuff like that. I mean, we have a lot of similarities in the mindset of where we want to go. I mean, but I think that yours is more focused on the community and really helping out the community. And, you know, for me, it's more about just helping out my family, my loved ones. That's really all I'm doing it for. So my goal is to help one person and inspire them to pursue their freaking dreams, because they can freaking do it. It's not, and I feel like one person makes a difference. You know, it's not my goal to be an employee. It's not my goal to be working for someone else. I've said this and I'll say it again. You know, like I'm gonna be the freaking boss, and I'm gonna make this happen, and I'm gonna be a millionaire, the first millionaire in my family, and people hear about me, and I'd love to give like motivational speeches, like give TED Talks. That's what I want to do. I want to tell people like, this is how I did it. You can do it too, you know, and yeah, I mean, but like I said, there's a lot of similarities, which is hella cool. Alright you guys, so I'm about to go run right now. You guys are gonna come with me with a little POV, but before I do that, I want to show you guys a very special guest. Uli, say what's up, brother. Okay. Do my transition. There. Alright you guys, so that's gonna conclude my day in the life. I hope you enjoyed this. I know there was a lot of meetings and whatnot, but it's already like 10 p.m. It says 9 p.m. but I didn't really get much sleep yesterday. I only slept like an hour because I was working on my website, which you should definitely check out. The link is gonna be on my bio, my photography website, my business website. Go check it out. But yeah, make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, and then if you want to see some behind the scenes whenever I do some client photo shoots, give this video a thumbs up, and yeah, that's it. Alright, bye.
Learned it all on my own. Everything's self-taught. Headshot with the stainless. Blow their mind, now they brainless. Dreams of being on stages. Damn, this shit's outrageous. I can see all of the changes. Everything coming in phases. Last year I was nameless. This year I'm finna be famous. I've been doing my own thing. Doing good in my own lane. Started wearing my own name. But it ain't on a gold chain. Saying things that they won't say. Making moves that they can't play.